Do you ever look in the mirror in the morning and think to yourself, damn, my face is looking like a dropped meatball? We're all terrified of getting old, but rubbing random overpriced creams on our face, it's not right. It's like spraying Febreze on a dumpster fire. Real anti-aging doesn't just happen on the surface, it starts deep in the cellular level. So what I'm gonna do for you today is give you the full blueprint of exactly how GHK-Cu and Epitalon reverse your biological clock. No BS, just hard science. Welcome back to Peptide Corner. I'm Tom. I'm a chartered chemical process engineer. Before we dive headfirst into the fountain of youth, let's do our quick safety recap. This video is for educational and research purposes only, not medical advice. Look, we're a brand new channel we launched a couple of weeks ago. If you want to support real science and help us grow, I'd love if you could please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon. Your support goes a long way to navigating the algorithm and allowing us to bring you more of the content that you really want. Let's start with GHK-Cu, also known as copper peptide. Think of your skin as a frat house after a mad weekend. It's absolutely wrecked, collagen is nowhere to be seen, elastin is missing. GHK-Cu is essentially like the landlord. Comes in, kicks out the trash, and then kicks your body into gear so that it starts rebuilding the foundation. Alright, let's dive right deep into the engineering here. GHK is a tripeptide, and it has a massive crush on copper. So what it does is it binds to all the copper ions and shuttles them directly into your cells. And here's the crazy part. GHK alters the expression of over 4,000 genes. It doesn't just ask nicely for collagen, it actively turns down all the genes that are responsible for breaking down your tissues. Those tissue-destroying genes make enzymes called MMPs. Think of MMPs as microscopic circular buzzsaws just tearing up your face. And what GHK-Cu does, it essentially slaps a safety guard on those buzzsaws. At the same time, that injected copper acts as a critical cofactor for an enzyme called Lysyl Oxidase. This is the biological mortar that cross-links collagen and elastin and makes your skin so tight you can bounce a quarter off it. This is exactly why biohackers and fitness influencers right now all swear by GHK-Cu for erasing deep wrinkles, fixing stubborn scars, and even saving dying hair follicles. But here's the million-dollar question. Can you just swallow it in a pill? Hell no. Your stomach's gonna rip that peptide apart faster than a gym bro at a buffet on a cheat day. Oral bioavailability just isn't there with GHK. If you want real results, you're gonna have to use it topically as a serum for your skin, or you can administer it via research injections at specific sites for systemic healing. Essentially, if you want face gains, go topical. If you want deep tissue repair, you're gonna need to inject. Now, if GHK-Cu fixes the outside of the house, Epitalon comes in and it's the ultimate inside renovation. It fixes aging where it hurts the most, inside your DNA. Think of DNA strands as everyday shoelaces. Every time your cells divide, those little plastic tips at the end of the shoelaces just get a little bit shorter. Those little plastic tips are called telomeres. Those telomeres, when they wear down completely, cause your cells to stop replicating, which means they decay and, well, quite frankly, so do you. Epitalon is a tiny synthetic tetrapeptide. That means it's just 4 amino acids long, and its superpower is chromatin remodeling. Basically, your DNA gets tightly packed and glued shut as you age. Pretty much like those skinny jeans that you can't fit in anymore that's still in your closet. Epitalon unzips those cellular skinny jeans and makes DNA readable again, so it can release an enzyme called telomerase. Telomerase is essentially the construction crew that comes in and rebuilds those biological shoelace tips. It basically tells the Grim Reaper, not today, buddy. By keeping telomerase extended, it prevents your cells from becoming zombie cells and float around your body causing systemic inflammation. On top of that, it acts directly on your pineal gland. And as an engineer, I love efficiency. And Epitalon just comes along and completely optimizes your own internal circadian rhythms. You get a much deeper, restorative sleep. which is exactly when your body releases its own natural growth hormone to combat and repair any intense gym damage. Sounds like absolute witchcraft, right? But let's look at the catch, because there's always a catch. A massive chunk of the mind-blowing Epitalon research that's out there all comes from old Russian clinical trials. While the human data really is fascinating, Western regulators really aren't just going to go around handing out stamps of approvals. Because of that, these compounds are in this legal grey area. You can't just rock up to your local CVS and pick up a bottle next to your chewable vitamins. Also, let's talk about skin penetration with GHK-Cu. Let's imagine the skin has a bouncer. We'll call him the 500 Dalton Rule. Everything heavier than 500 Daltons can't get through the door. Quality serums require really specific formulation engineering to actually penetrate the skin layer. That means if you're buying this stuff from shady back alley grey market websites, you're running a real risk of injecting unknown contaminants directly into your bloodstream. If you're going to research these, you have to be smart. Always look for independent, third-party verified testing reports and protect your body. Also remember, more does not mean better. If you're going to blast these peptides like an absolute maniac, thinking you're going to wake up tomorrow and be Wolverine, you're just going to waste a lot of money and you're begging for massive side effects. So here's the bottom line. If you can look to GHK-Cu for your external glow up, and then look to Epitalon for your internal cellular tune-up. If you can combine that with a vigorous gym training session, proper nutrition, and real sleep, you are golden. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you've experimented with either of these, or maybe if there's a different compound you'd like us to tear apart next time. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you here next time on Peptide Corner.